So next up, we're going to be recording some bone-breaking sounds using celery and carrots. Let's do it. Okay, so what we're going to do now is break some bones. For this, we're going to use a bowl to catch all of them. Some carrots, because they're quite sturdy, and celery, because it gives you that really gruesome bone crunch. Let's get started. Next up, celery. All we're going to do is twist it, pull it and break it. Should give us the sound we're after, and with some processing we'll sound even worse, or better. And that's all there is to it. Twist, pull, and snap.
Okay, so now we're in Logic, we need to get our files, so head over to the media window, open the browser, and select which of the files you'd want to use. As you can see, I've already got some in the project window, so we can just move forward. Now, layering, as usual, is very important. It helps to add depth, and it adds variety as well if you're using different sounds. Now, staggering as well I consider to be quite an important thing. If everything happens at once, it's hard to tell the difference between track A, B and C. But if we move them apart, then it makes life a lot easier. As you can see from the EQ, I haven't really done much. I've maybe added a bit of low end on one and taken away some of the high end on the other. But it's relatively simple, but it does produce effective work, as you can hear about now. Like I said, simple and effective. I'm not saying this is the best way to do it, this is just the way I've done it for this video. There are as many ways as you can think of, and it's all about experimentation. So go ahead, get your sounds, and have some fun.
And that's all there is to bone breaking. Don't forget guys, if there's anything you want me to cover that I haven't done so far, just leave a message in the comments, and if it's within my ability, I'll get on it straight away. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you next time.